Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking with Grace. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscription and bell button to get all my recipes I will be posting regularly. Today we will do an amazing evening snack from Kochi. We call it as Muttapathiri, which is crepe made of all-purpose flour batter and spread with coconut and sugar mixture. This is a mild sweet snack with limited ingredients, and I'm sure you can surprise your family with this super soft and delicious snack that literally melts in your mouth. We will prepare the filling first. So into a bowl, adding 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut or as much you prefer. 1 tablespoon of sugar or as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix all this well together and keep it aside for the filling. Now we will prepare the batter, adding 1 egg and beat it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now little by little you can add 1.5 cups of water. So don't put it together, but little by little as you mix it. Make this into a loose batter. If the batter is thick again, you can add more water until you achieve this consistency like this. It needs to be spread easily on the hot pan. See, the consistency should be like this. Now we will heat a non-stick pan or a tawa on a medium heat. Brush oil or ghee, whichever you prefer to use. Then pour couple of ladle of full batter onto the pan. Spread the batter so as to make a very thin crepe. When one side is cooked, it will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Flip it over and cook for another 1 more minute until light golden brown. If you want it more crispy, keep it 1 more minute so that the brown spot starts appearing. Remove the crepe and place it on a plate. Add about 2 tablespoons of filling and place it on the center of the crepe and spread it over like this. Fold the crepe from all 3 sides and roll it towards the open end to make it a log. I'm going to continue making with the rest of the batter. Added the second one. Spreading it over. Now this side is almost getting done. It's done and I put it on the plate, adding the filling onto it, spreading over. Now I'll fold it on the center, on the both sides. Now we will roll it to the open side. See, I made a log. Here is your delicious Muttapathiri or coconut filled crepe ready. Try this amazing and easy to make snack and enjoy with your family, sipping along with a cup of tea or coffee.